We got Diddy. Man, I might have to take a break, man. I might have to take a break on this one, man. Let me roll up, man. Nah, let me give it to y'all, man. We got Diddy doing the apology. Now, I know everybody done did this one, because you know the bloggers, they fast. I don't too much like to get into that, but Diddy did come out and gave an apology. Should it get accepted or should it get neglected? Y'all let me know. Comment below. In the wood, kitchen talk. I'm just saying, man, cause a lot of people giving you backlash on this, man. And, you know, I don't know how they said, but they giving you a lot of mouth on this one, Diddy, man. Let's see what the video got to say while I roll,
man. It's so difficult to reflect on the darkest times in your life. Sometimes you gotta do that. I was fucked up. I mean, I hit rock bottom, but I made no excuses. My behavior on that video is inexcusable. I take full responsibility for my actions in that video. I'm disgusted. I was disgusted then when I did it. I'm disgusted now. I went and I sought out professional help. I had to go into therapy. I'm going to rehab. Had to ask God for his mercy and grace. I'm so sorry. But I'm committed to be a better man each and every day. I'm not asking for forgiveness. I'm truly sorry.
Hey, man. Hey, man. Man, I don't know what to say, man. But I told you, anything can happen when you in the kitchen. Having some kitchen talk. You feel?
The Sack World,
man. About to fire up. Yeah. You know we're going. I'ma take my time on this one. Yeah. Determination. All I wanted to do is not be a fluke.